Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. Ever since Grass Airdrop launched and went live and paid people hundreds of dollars, the PIN projects are beginning to make waves, and I can tell you for sure that come 2025, the PIN is going to be a very big aspect of cryptocurrency, and all those who position currently and perform the PIN projects airdrops, they might actually earn big come 2025, all right? And that is why in this video, I'm going to be bringing you a new DePin project called Teneo. And all you have to do in this airdrop, just like we did in Grass, is for you to register, install the extension on your browser, and it will end for you anytime your browser is active. All right. So as you use your device will be connected to the network, and you begin to accumulate points. This point will actually count in your airdrop allocation. Okay, so as you can see on my screen right here, all you have to do to participate on this is to click the link in the description of this video. You are going to find a link there, so it will bring you here. To get started, the first thing you need to do is to install the extension on your browser. All right, if you are using a laptop, of course it become very easy. All you have to do is to install the Chrome extension to your browser, and then it become easy for you to run it. Second thing is for you to pin the extension so that it will be always active, and then once that is done, it will continue earning for you. So in order for you to begin, guys, just click the link in the description of this video, and then it will take you to this page. All right, so once you click on the extension, it will bring you to the Teneo community node extension on the Chrome web store. Of course, you are going to add it to your extension. Okay, so just click on add and accept this, and it will be added to your extension. It is from this extension that you're going to create your account. Okay, of course, you're going to create a new account. So for those that are using mobile device to run this, once you have successfully added it to your Mises browser, you are going to click on this icon here, right? This icon here is for all your extensions. This is where you go to see all the extensions you have installed on your browser. So once I click on that, I'm going to look for Teneo community node. You can see it here, right? So this is it here. The Teneo community node I just added to my Mises browser. So once I open it, this is where I need to run the I need to create my account. So I'll click on join now. Remember, I'm doing all of this with my Android device or my Mises browser. Okay, so once you open it, it's going to tell you that mobile version is coming soon. This dashboard has not been optimized for mobile devices. The next thing you should do to avoid this is to change your view to desktop view. So click on this icon at the top right corner here. Once you click on that, scroll down. For those who don't know how to change their view to desktop site, so you can see desktop site here, right? So all I have to do is to activate it and wait for this to load. Once it's loaded, and then you can see that I can actually log in or sign up. I will need to sign up to create a new account. So this is where you fill in your details. You put in your email, confirm your email, and a referral code. Now, guys, it is important for you to use a referral code so that you can get the welcome bonus. All right. So just use my referral code as you can see on your screen now, or in the description of this video, you'll find it there. Use all of them small case, lowercase, all right, trbfx. So use this code to create an account so that you can actually get the referral bonus. Okay, you will get some referral bonus to start with. Okay, so I'll create my account. All right, just ensure that you use the referral code. That will give you a welcome bonus. The next thing, you check your email and confirm the link that will be sent to your email. Okay, so once you log in your account, since you have finished your registration, this is the message you are going to get. So this is the dashboard. All right, this is the Teneo website dashboard. The next thing you need to do is to go back to the extension icon here. From the extension icon, because you need to activate your node, you click on it, click on Teneo community node again. All right, and then the next thing you should do now is to click on connect node. All right, you click on connect node to start your mining. So once I click on connect node, sometimes it might not start immediately, but you can see that mine has started immediately. I am connected and I am now mining the Teneo um I am now mining the Teneo point, and then you can see that I've got 1000 Teneo points total. This is because I used the referral code. The point is being added every 15 minutes. You can see that a heartbeat lasts for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my point will be increased. You can see potential next point. This is what you earn every 15 minutes. It keeps increasing. Okay. So from your extension here, you can click on go to dashboard to go to your dashboard. I'm going to check it out now so that we can see other tasks that we can complete. The next thing you should do is that after you have created your account here, you need to make sure that this extension is always open on your browser. So it is better that you click this icon so that it will be opened as a tab. In that way, it will always be active. So I'm going to click on that now. You can see that the extension is now open as a tab. Look at it here. This Teneo here is always open. So I will go back to my Teneo dashboard now. Let me refresh this so that we can check out whatever task we can complete to earn more points. All right. So let me give that time to load. I think the website, they just launched their dashboard. This is their website newly, so it might not be very responsive. So it's always best for you to give it time to load. All right, so it is up now. You can see my daily point. I just registered now, so my daily point is still 0. Total heartbeat is still 0. Remember that this countdown is what makes a heartbeat. After a heartbeat is every 15 minutes. So let me just return here now and see what task I can complete. Let me see now. I'll check rewards. From rewards, let me see if there's anything I can complete here. Link wallet. Okay. So I can link wallet for 50,000 points. It's a very important thing to do. Let me link my wallet now. Okay. I can link my MetaMask wallet, which is something. Another thing that you need to do is to add MetaMask extension to your Mises browser so that you can always link it to any airdrop you are participating on. All right. So I will put in my password and continue. I will unlock my MetaMask extension now. So once that is unlocked, I'm going to connect my MetaMask. I will confirm the permanently link wallet to Teneo account. So I will confirm this. Okay. Done. I've linked my wallet. So my points now should keep increasing. All right. The next thing is to engage with Teneo on X, which is Twitter, for another 50,000 points. Okay, these people seems to be giving out a lot of points. Okay, the linking of Twitter is not working at the moment. It takes a lot of time, so I'm just gonna do that later. But as I believe I've shown you the most basic thing you need to do now, right? How to register. If you want to get your referral link, of course, you can come to refer us. This is where you come to get your code. You can always see your referral code here. Use it to invite your friends so that you can also get reward from them. All right. So guys, I believe that is all for now. Let me reload my page to see if 50,000 points has been added to my dashboard. Let me check out my points now. So as you can see now, I have 51 points, 51,000 points, and 50,000 is just from completing a single task of linking my wallet. And then the next one will be to add my Twitter account and Discord. So, but the most important thing is for you to leave the extension to be active so that it can earn rewards from you from the background. All right. So if there's any question you get after watching this, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'll be available to provide answers to all of your questions. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with others, and watch out for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.